Hi there, and yes, we are going to be making taco pizza in the air fryer today. Now I'm going to be using this 8-inch pizza pan that came in this box of air fryer accessories that Kathy over from Dreadland sent to me. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail, but what you see here on the table is what comes in this box of air fryer accessories. So if you're interested in checking this out, I will leave the links down below in the description. Now, if you do not have a pizza pan, don't worry, you can still do this because we are going to par bake our pizza dough first, because it's only going to take about 3 minutes for our cheese to melt, and there's no way our pizza dough is going to be done in time. So just take your air fryer basket, spray it with some oil, lay your pizza dough down, and you'll be perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and get started on our pizza. I totally forgot, I'm using leftover taco meat, so I'm not going to be making any taco meat on this video today. I'm sure most of you know how to do that already. Buy one of them taco seasoning packets, follow the directions on the back, or go ahead and make your own seasoning up. Okay, now we are ready to get started on this taco pizza. I'm going to be using a store-bought pizza dough today. I got this at my local co-op and they make a wonderful dough. So you can do as I did and buy your pizza dough at the store or go ahead and make your own. So I went ahead and pinched some off here. This should be enough for our 8-inch pan. I would say I have just under 2 grams of dough here. I'm going to flour my counter just a little bit to keep the dough from sticking. Before I get started on this dough, I'm going to take our pizza pan, I'm going to take some olive oil, and do a couple of squirts in here. I'm going to take a paper towel, and just spread it all around. Make sure to get the sides also. Just going to go ahead and press our dough out, give it a head start, and then we'll transfer it into the pizza pan. I'm just going to continue working this out to the sides. Now I usually don't do this, but I'm going to go ahead and preheat my air fryer on 400 degrees for about 3 minutes. Because we are going to bake this crust first before we put any toppings on it. Because I'm afraid if we don't do that, our toppings are going to be all melted and done before our pizza crust is. Now I'm going to take some olive oil and brush it on our pizza dough. Alright, I have this set to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. About 3 minutes in, I'm going to go ahead and check it. Since we're making a taco pizza, we won't be using a tomato-based sauce. Instead, we are going to be using refried beans. This is just from the can. And some salsa con queso. If you'd rather not use this, you can just use some taco sauce or salsa, or just use the refried beans. So I'm going to take a little bit of our refried beans. That's about 1/4 of a cup. By the way, refried beans and salsa con queso mixed together makes a wonderful bean dip. Heat it up, serve it with Fritos or your favorite taco chips. Yum. So if you make this up and have leftover, use it for a bean dip. Okay, so I'm going to take a big heaping tablespoon of our salsa con queso. I'm going to give this a quick mix. Okay, that looks good, and this will be plenty for our 8-inch pizza. This pizza crust took 3 minutes. We have a nice golden brown. Now, I like bubbles in my pizza. I know some people don't. If you don't, before you cook it, take a fork and pierce the dough. All right, let's build our pizza. I'm going to take our refried bean mixture. Spread that all around our crust. Now we're going to take our taco meat. Go ahead and spread that all over. And here I have some shredded Monterey Jack cheese and some cheddar. Now we're going to go in with our cheese. Okay, we are ready to go pop this into the air fryer. It's looking good. Okay, pop this in the air fryer basket. Okay, I have this set to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. I will check in between. All right, as soon as our pizza gets done, we're going to top it with some shredded lettuce, and I have some cherry tomatoes that I sliced up. Also, I'm going to top this with some tortilla chips. I'm going to put some in a baggie and smash them up. So, I'm just going to give it a little smush. And that's that. Our pizza is done. It only went 3 minutes. Wish I would have par baked this the full 5 minutes because the bottom is not that brown. I'll be more than happy to take a bite for you. Now that is a good taco pizza. I love the refried beans and the salsa con queso mixed together. So good. So if you like this video, you might want to check these out next. Also, if you love air frying and haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.